Hello everyone, today I'm making very special noodle soup. And what is it? Please come to the kitchen with me. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. So this is the crabs, blue crabs, and I will clean it now. Remove all the thing at the back, the front, and the top. And I will break the legs and the meat into the food processor and puree them with water, a little water, and after that I will strain them. This is very popular dish in Vietnam, but people used to use few mud crabs, the tiny little crabs. But in America, it's hard to find those crabs fresh. So I use fresh blue crabs. And you will see how it turned out. After puree it, I strain them into the sieves. And you can strain a few times until all the good white stuff you can get. And you see here, I have a pot now full of goodness, and I will go cook it on the stove until it has a float like this. And I think the English word it will call raft. Huh? Normally, we will collect on this raft and mix it with another pork base to make pork and crabs, meatballs or something like that. But today I will use just the pure form. You will see. Now I have another pot of stock cooked in bone with bones and ribs. Now I drop in meatballs and ribs and season it, and that's it. They wrap liquid stock and season as well. And now let's dish up. I have rice noodle called bun at the bottom, and then rib, pork, meatballs, and some crab legs in there. And you can see I pull the wraps over, and delicious. You like to try? Thank you for watching. Bye bye.